Welcome back to my channel, my glamorous viewers. Today I have created this look for you guys as far as Valentine Day look. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. And today in this video also I have a very interesting giveaway. So to get to know what is the giveaway, stay tuned, continue watching, and at the end of the video you will know what is the giveaway. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this giveaway. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, like my video, support me and subscribe. So without further ado, just let's start the video, okay? I have already primed my both eyes with soft ochre from MAC and highlighted my underneath the eyebrow with Juvia from this palette. Pretty much I'm going to use this palette. Maybe one color I'll be taking help from Naked Heat, but pretty much I'm going to use this palette today. So now I am using the brush 221 from MAC and taking the color Bone. It's a very dark pink, almost like a shocking pink, and we are going to saturate this color all over the eye at this point. So at this point I'm just building up the color, packing and building and trying to do a little bit of smoothing here. For my outer corner, I'm using the Tom Ford number 13 brush and using the color from the same palette, Ada, just to give a little bit of depth, just the outer corner. So now with very clean, nothing has in this brush, Morphe R34 brush, I'm just gonna like marry the color, just try to blend in everything together. I'm already liking this look today. I don't know about you guys. Seriously, I'm enjoying it so much. So pretty much I think I'm good with blend. Now I'm going to cut the crease with the liquid concealer. I am going to use the Kat Von D. Anything you can use, but I prefer when I do the cut the crease, I prefer to have concealer with the brush. This is YSL like this. Oops, it's very old. Or I will take a synthetic brush, very fine brush, which I have handy, ironically. So let's do that. I'm going to take a little bit on my hands. It's MAC concealer NC15. It doesn't have to be any specific number. This part you have to be very patient for. That's the beauty of this look. Just slowly. Especially when you have a hoodie eye like me, puffy eye. It's hard to do that, but you gotta do what you gotta do, baby. Like to make it short, I am gonna do one eye completely on the camera, every detail. The other side I'll do it off the camera. As I mentioned that for my crease color, I will use a very baby pink, but on the palette, I have all of their palette, almost all of them, Juvia's palette, but they don't have a very light pink. Or maybe they have, I don't have in my collection anyway. So I'm using this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and using the Wild Child. So I'm just gonna use 132 BH Cosmetics brush and spray a little bit, just a tiny bit, and take the Wild Child and put it on my crease. Okay, so I've done this pink part, crease part. Now from the corner, to give it a little bit depth and smoky effect, I'm gonna use Morphe I believe it's E36 brush, and taking the deepest color this palette has, which is Fulani from that palette, and just pack it on the corner like so. I'm gonna do a little bit of tear duct with the Morphe 515 brush, my favorite, my baby, and using the color, what color, hurry up, tell me, which should I put in my inner corner? And this is called Juvia. Remember the eyebrow on the highlight of my eyebrow bone? Same color. You guys don't want to know what is the giveaway? You want me to announce it now, Danish?
All up to you. All up to you.
Okay, so this is a Valentine Day video for you guys. So for this Valentine Day video, once you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to somebody, and give a heart emoji on the description section. You get 1 dozen red rose in your address delivered from 1-800-FLOWER. You get 1 red lipstick, 1 red lip pencil, 1 red nail polish. Yay! But don't be mean. Watch the video and support me. I love you all. So our inner corner is done. Now, something I learned with the time, just the way we put the soft ochre on the top to adhere our eyeshadow nicely, when you do the bottom part, I like to do bottom part also the soft ochre with the angle brush, and kind of this is something new I started doing. I'm enjoying it and I want to share it with you guys. So what it does, exactly same way with the finger, I'm just gonna blend it upwards. So it's gonna adhere my eyeshadow properly. So I am gonna use same the corner darker color on the outer corner near my lower lashes, and the inner corner I'll be using that fuchsia pink, which is one of my favorite color, as all you guys know by that time. Husband, of course, every year. What is the funniest thing you have done or got? Please share with me, let me know, so that we can have fun with each other. Do you guys want to know what I have planned for this year for my hubby? Most amazing human being. One piece. God has only made one piece, only for me. Cannot have this guy. 2-piece. Amazing human being. So see, when I lower like this, I forget that I am in the camera. Forgive me for that. So it's okay if my mirror shows, my non-manicured finger shows, but at least you guys can see how cute this look is looking, man. I'm feeling it. Now what? Tell me now what I'm supposed to do. Quick. 1, 2, 3. By 3 you guys should say eyeliner. And which one? If you're watching my video now, I'm gonna cut you that you're a liar or truth lover. Never can divorce this eyeliner. Some makeup artists like the gel one, some pencil, some liquid. I'm very comfortable for my upper one with the liquid. So you can always use what is your comfort zone. But as long as you do a nice wing. So I'm putting the mascara on my eyes. This is extended play lash mascara for my lower lash from MAC. And the top one, you guys, I'm sure guessed which one I'm gonna do. Tell me which one? Yeah, you got it right. Shayla's golden color Maybelline mascara, Big Shot on the top. I hardly have lashes. I have less hair, less hair. But that's how we have falsies. For my inner liner, I will be using as usual my Inglots with the eyeliner brush from, my god, if I lose this brush, what's gonna happen? It's from Bare Essential. It's a very small brush, but I am in love so much with it. Never change this brush. I am using the gel eyeliner on top of my eye so that when I close the eyes, it doesn't get lighter. You know what I mean, right? So like, I'm gonna close up this. See, I'm putting it here, and then I'm pushing this leftover. I mean, if I need, I will apply on the brush and applying on the top of. See, now it's not enough, so I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply it on the top part of my eye, especially as close as possible towards to your eyelashes. It makes a big difference. This is called Alkaline from 24 for Urban Decay 24/7 pencil. I'm gonna little bit darken it my lower line. So now I put my lashes and put little bit of blush on again and contour a little bit of the as usual drill, and using the Spice from MAC, the lip pencil and lipstick. It's called Good Kisser. It's the Christmas one. They had the mini version, but for giveaway you will get the full size. I love the name, so that's why I mentioned it. So after that lipstick application, I'm gonna just in the middle of my lip put a little bit of gloss. That's also from MAC. It's called Snob. Just a tiny bit. Probably I'll take in my finger because I don't want to give that dark color on the inside the lip gloss. That changes the color. That's it. So now you see this look. Love it. Concludes my makeup. Not but least. Thank you all for watching this beautiful video. It's a Valentine's Day look. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this look for you guys. If you guys in case miss the giveaway stuff, it will be described in the description below, and you will see there, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy that giveaway also. And until next time, stay glamorous, and I love you all. Bye.